everyone, this is Rutrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing good. So firstly, Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you are doing all good and you all are safe. So in today's video, I am going to show you 5 great hair serum for you all. We are now in a phase where hair serum is a really great part of our lives, and these hair serums really does great job. So we have to include these in our lives to make our hairstyle easier, to make our hair feel good. So in today's video, I am going to show you 5 great products which all are hair serums, and all these products are in different price range, but all the products work so nicely on hairs. And we have some affordable options, we have some high-end options. So these 5 serums are mix and match of all those things. So without any further delay, let's get started. So firstly, I will start with mid-range product, and then we will go to high-end product, and at the end of this video I will show you the most affordable one. So let's start with this. So the first hair serum is this L'Oreal Professional Extension Care Hair Serum, and this is how the packaging looks like. This is a glass bottle jar, and it is a 50 ml product, and this serum is really great if you have issues like hair is feeling frizzy or dull. It instantly makes your hair feel nice, and it gives nice shine to your hairs. Also, I have a detailed review of these products. If you want to check this out, I will share the link in the description box below. As it mentioned, it is also helped for anti-breakage and anti-dryness, and it really does that. Your hair really feel like it's nicely maintained and tamed, which we all love. So this is a great product to try. So the next one is it is of a mid-range product, and this is from the brand Biolage, and this is how it looks like. This makes hair really nice and smooth, and Biolage have some great hair care products. They also have a really nice hair pack, and we will cover this topic in another video. And I have been using this from quite a lot. I really love the product. So let's come back to this product. It nicely smooths your hair. It doesn't make your hair feel like frizzy and dry, and it feel like you are taking care of your hair a lot, which if you don't take care of, you just all you need to do after shampooing and conditioning, you can just apply this one on your semi-wet hair, and you are good to go. This is a great product to try. The only thing I don't like about this serum is this plastic bottle, but if you consider the pricing, it's good enough. But I would like to have this in glass bottle. So the next product is a bit expensive. It's a high-end product, and this is the Moroccan Oil Hair Serum. This is my absolute favorite product. If you have a budget, I should highly recommend you to just go ahead and take this one. This instantly give the effect, not for a couple of hours or for a day. It makes your hair really look nice, shiny and smooth for couple of days, which I absolutely love. This is the best part about this hair serum, is this is alcohol free, and this comes with this pump system and in glass bottle. So you have that control to know that how much you need that product whenever you're using. This is a great feature, I feel. This is also after applying the shampoo and conditioner, and if you have any good hair marks, then just use that, and after doing all this process, or if you feel like you are doing only shampoo and conditioner, then just apply this one. I can guarantee you will definitely thank me later. The next product is a bit expensive than the last one, and this is this Keratis Paris hair serum, and this is how it looks like. This is also comes with this glass jar and this pump dropper, so you have that freedom to take the amount whatever you want. And this is a great product. Even if you have hair fall issue, you just blindly use this one. This really does great job onto your hair. I have been using this for quite a long time, and I am absolutely loving this. And the best part about this product is this really needs very less amount. So as you can see, I have been using this quite a long time, but it all just came this down only. If you have a budget, you should definitely go ahead and check this one out. It also makes your hair really smooth, glowy, and it feels like your hair is really nicely tamed one. So I definitely recommend this one to try you out. The last one is the most affordable one, and this is the Livon. This only retails for 140 rupees, and God knows how lesser amount you need to make your hair feel like really you are gorgeous, and you are maintaining your hair for a really long time. This is a great product. It makes your hair feel like it not frizzy. It doesn't make your hair dry. If your hair is really tangled, you just apply this one and comb it out. It will detangle it just in minutes. So this is a great product, but the only issue with this product is it comes with this plastic packaging, and another one is it doesn't keep your hair smooth and glowy for really longer time. It just one day and you are good to go with this. So this is the only thing I feel bad about this product, but altogether it's a great product. It really pocket friendly if you are a college going student, or if you are in your end of the school time, you can definitely use this one. This comes really pocket friendly price, and the product is really good, no complaints. So those are the points which I have told you all. So these are the products. All the purchase links are listed below in the description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can go ahead and check out everything. So this is all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. So just let me know if you have already used anything, or if you are planning to buy anything. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you have any recommendation, then also let me know. I would highly request you to give your suggestions so that I try a new product and I can recommend you all. So this is all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. See you into my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.